Are you eager to jump on the viral cowboy copper hair trend without harsh chemicals? Look no further! In this video, we're diving into the eclectic world of DIY hair color, focusing on how you can achieve that gorgeous, sought-after cowboy copper tone using only natural ingredients. Are you ready to transform your look with ingredients you can find right at home? Let's get started! Natural ingredients not only protect your hair from damage, but also nourish it, giving you vibrant color and healthy shine. We'll explain the benefits of each ingredient and how they work together to transform your hair color. Certainly, here's a detailed guide on achieving the cowboy copper hair trend at home naturally. Get ready to transform your hair with nature's best. Watch now and learn how to ace the cowboy copper trend effortlessly and naturally. Description: embrace the bold and vibrant cowboy copper hair trend from the comfort of your home. This natural hair dye recipe delivers a rich copper hue with hints of warmth, perfect for adding a touch of Western flair to your locks. Ingredients: henna powder. Henna powder, natural dye, imparts reddish-brown color, coats hair shaft, provides base warmth, depth, and vibrancy for cowboy copper hue. Cinnamon powder. Cinnamon powder enhances red tones, adds subtle highlights, complements henna, contributes to overall coppery effect with warmth and richness. Coffee powder. Coffee powder enriches hair with deep, earthy tones, adding dimension and richness to the copper hue. Its natural pigments penetrate strands, imparting a lustrous shine while darkening the overall color palette, lending authenticity to the cowboy copper aesthetic. Coconut oil. Coconut oil nourishes hair, improves color absorption, and enhances shine, ensuring a vibrant and healthy-looking cowboy copper hair color. Water, optional for mixing. Preparation method: 1. In a bowl, combine equal parts henna powder and cinnamon powder and coffee powder. 2. Add a tablespoon of coconut oil to the mixture to enhance shine and nourishment. 3. Gradually add water to the mixture and stir until you achieve a smooth, thick, paste-like consistency. Ensure there are no lumps in the mixture. Keep mixture 30 minutes. All ingredients blends properly. It will help to give good texture on hair. Application: 1. Begin with clean, dry hair, free from any styling products. 2. Section your hair into manageable sections using clips or hair ties. 3. Put on gloves to protect your hands from staining. 4. Apply the henna mixture to your hair, starting from the roots and working your way down to the tips. Ensure even coverage throughout. 5. Once your hair is fully coated, use a wide-tooth comb to distribute the mixture evenly and remove any excess. 6. Leave the dye on your hair for the recommended time specified on the henna packaging or until the desired color intensity is achieved. 7. Rinse the dye out of your hair using lukewarm water until the water runs clear. 8. Follow up with a mild shampoo and conditioner to lock in the color and nourish your hair. Now you're ready with your trendy cowboy copper hair. Enjoy your hair transformation. Celebrate the trendy and stylish look. Consider touch-ups with your homemade hair pack every 4 or 6 weeks to keep the color fresh. Benefits: achieves a rich, vibrant copper hair color with warm undertones. Provides natural conditioning and nourishment to the hair thanks to the coconut oil. Henna and cinnamon powder are natural hair dyes that do not contain harsh chemicals, making them suitable for sensitive scalps. Coffee powder enriches cowboy copper hair color, adding depth and authenticity with its earthy tones and dimension. Adds depth and dimension to your hair, enhancing its natural beauty with a touch of Western-inspired style. Experience the allure of the cowboy copper hair trend with this natural DIY recipe and elevate your hair game with confidence and style. Join the viral cowboy copper hair trend and turn heads with your naturally radiant locks. You can also use this hair pack to color gray hair. This is a very effective way to look your hair naturally shiny and healthy. Be sure to try this out and share your experience in the comments below. Your feedback helps us to bring more such transformative remedies your way. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video if you find it helpful. Subscribe to our channel for more natural, easy-to-follow beauty remedies and tips. Let's embark on this journey to healthier, beautiful hair together. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to drop your questions or feedback in the comments below. Don't forget to like, comment your experiences, and subscribe to our channel for more natural skincare and hair care solutions. Your feedback fuels our passion to create content that serves your needs. Please mention which country you are watching and subscribe for more DIY hair care and beauty care recipes to enhance our beauty naturally.